Good afternoon, cThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 DRV Mobile Suites. This is the 39 DBRS3. This is one of their best floor plans for quite a while now. You'll notice this has the new end cap with the LED lights. Got the Indiana bug still on her, so I'm getting it out there so you can see it here. This is a 39 DBRS3, nice big basement, full clear coat over the full body, the full paint. This is what they call their partial paint job, but it's full cleared throughout. Easy access in the basement area. Solid step, 6-point auto leveling system out at angles, so it really holds it solid. 17 5 wheels and tires, Moride disc brakes, or Kodiak disc brakes, excuse me, Moride suspension, all independent suspension. Very, very nice. Dual awnings on the patio side. Solid step coming in. This is the bath and a half model, so we have our monitor station and switches all in one easy place when we come inside, with the overhead cabinet above. Come in, hang our coats up. All nice, really nice woodwork in the cabinetry. Beautiful, beautiful coach. We do ours here at BISH'S RV with the wood box balances above the windows. This has got all the latest and greatest interior work. Cabinetry above, theater seating. The dinette table also pulls out, 2 more folding chairs, so we got 4 chairs and a great big dinette table as well. All the overhead cabinetry on the back end. New back end cap, a little bit smaller window, but it gives us more place for cabinetry and lighting on the back end, so it works out real nice. Pan around to the entertainment area. Tons of cabinets above. Beautiful cabinetry again. Pull out drawer there, or it could be used as a desk. The fireplace, the sound bar, the great big TV, flat screen. Appliance garage here in the 39 with the plug-in in behind there, so if we want to pull out, put our coffee pot or toaster, what have you there. Easy in, easy out, out of sight. Backlit cabinetry with adjustable shelving. Got the glass inlay there. All the nice big drawers with the nice clean plywood drawers here with the soft touch close. Nice solid backsplash along with the solid surface countertops. Full size microwave convection. 4-burner cooktop, high output burner. Large oven. Dishwasher. Nice big island here with the double sink and removable sink covers. Residential refrig. It's got the new lighting above the island, which is nice, as well as the new island backsplash here with the lighting that looks really, really nice. Then we go in on the 39. We have the half bath. Somebody stored the folding chairs in the way, but in the 39 you're going to have macerator toilet, so that's a bonus in the RV industry, along with a great big cabinet area there to put a 2-piece washer and dryer, or it's a nice big closet. Up the stairway here we have a pocket door that divides us here. It pulls out and separates the bedroom from the living. King bed area. Individual windows on both sides. We got the individual lighting with dimmer switches, so we can utilize the lighting for left side, right side lighting. Storage underneath the bed. Nice big 8-drawer dresser here. Little area here for the DVD player. This is going to be your built-in system with the 32-inch built-in soundbar, entertainment, TV all in one. Fantastic fan above. Padded ceiling inside. Again, beautiful woodwork. The big walk-in shower. Again, this is the master bathroom, showing us the macerator toilet as well. Dual sink area. Nice big vanity. Walk-in closet. So on this model, in the anything with that DRV makes that has the master bathroom up front, you're going to notice has the biggest, deepest closet. So you can actually walk in the closet. I got shelving here, I got hangers up over here, I got hangers across the front, I got drawers over here, mirrors inside, all lit, cedar lined inside as well. And then when we're not using it, we got the nice French style drawers with the mirrors there, mirrors on the wall here too. So, you know, that gives us a quick rundown in the new 2022 DRV Mobile Suites 39 DBRS3. Again, my name is cThompson at BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions with any of the DRV product, Mobile Suites, Full House, or any of the product there, make sure you contact me. My name is cThompson. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Call me direct. You don't have to go through the switchboard. Reach me direct. So feel free to call. Thanks and have a great day.